is 13 WHAM News at 6.
Take a look. Long lines for high-demand products, home COVID test kits and K95 masks, free to local businesses with frontline workers.
They're so hard to get a hold of right now. And so anytime you can get your hands on one of these from a business standpoint, so you can make sure that your work environment stays safe, because we all got to go home too.
Good evening, I'm Don Alhart. Those free at-home COVID test kits and masks went quickly during today's giveaway by the Rochester Chamber of Commerce. As we hear from Chase Howell tonight, for many businesses, this was just too good to pass up.
It really was, Don. If you saw the turnout, it was crazy. Every mask and at-home COVID test kit were given away. They had over 10,000 kits, 30,000 masks, and still had people waiting in line. Tests and masks, the essentials to keep businesses open as Omicron cases surge.
We have a lot of people calling out.
Robert Burns with Sun King says he was grateful to get his hands on at-home test kits and KN95 masks for his employees Thursday. He says the company's supply ran out in the past month, making it harder for sick staff members to know if they have COVID-19.
We've seen more, especially the past month or so, of our employees calling out and just saying, hey, I have a symptom, or hey, I have a family member who's tested positive. And if that's the case, we make them stay home as well.
Yeah, thank you, sir. You have a great
Stay healthy. Take care.
Residents throughout Monroe County say they either can't get their hands on a test or are having trouble booking an appointment quickly. Monroe County Executive Adam Bello says there are no plans at this time to add more testing sites.
Testing, though, you can do at home. So we're going to invest in additional test kits to give people the tools that they need to protect themselves and keep them and their families safe. But we're going to be looking to put more resources in terms of people power into vaccine sites.
Monroe County saw over 4,000 cases Wednesday, the largest single-day total. County leaders say it shows the plan to flood Monroe County with rapid tests is working.
We, I think, are among a few counties that have been able to distribute this many test kits to the public. So in some sense, this is a good thing, because we're identifying people who can now know that they're positive and isolate appropriately and keep it off the streets.
The county executive said today another 500,000 tests have been ordered and should arrive in the next 2 weeks.